Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Science Cooks. Today on the channel we're going to go ahead and do something a little fun. We're going to go ahead and take this nice USDA choice beef chuck and we are going to turn it into some extremely tasty burnt ends. If you're interested in this kind of content, please go ahead and stay tuned. Now the first thing we need to go ahead and do is get this guy out of his package. I'm going to grab my Tusty Masahiro rosewood handled blade. It's 100% carbon steel. And we're going to go ahead and pull this guy off. We're going to get him patted dry, and then we're going to go ahead and apply our seasoning. You'll notice that we've got a decent marbling here on the sides and all the way through the center. And that's what you're looking for when you want to go ahead and do this. As much fat as possible. If Aldi would have had a prime version of this, I would have picked that up. So this is our seasoning. We are doing 1 part salt, 2 parts black pepper, and 2 parts garlic powder. We're also going to use a little bit of Cholula as a binding agent all over this. You'll notice I'm doing this on a metal rack. That is so that I can get an even cure on here, an even dry rub cure on here as it sits while we go ahead and turn the egg. Doesn't that look pretty? All right, let's go ahead and get our eggs set up. All right, so our temp is great. We're right around 250 degrees. Got nice blue smoke coming out. We're nice and heat soaked, so we are good and ready to go. So we want to open this guy up. All right, we want to get our gigantic chunk of meat here. Put that right in there. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna come back in probably, I don't know, a good hour, check, see if it needs spritz, flip it over. And yeah, just let it go. So I'll see you guys back in an hour. All right, everybody, you'll see we're still on temp. It's been about an hour. All right, here we go. This guy looks pretty good. Oh yeah, got lots of more stuff to do, but oh yeah, we're doing good. We're shooting for an internal temp of 204 degrees, and we're gonna pull it off. We're going to add a secret ingredient to it, and then we're gonna let it finish going. All right, so we're still right on temp. Ooh, look at that. That looks great. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah, it's still nice and hard. Definitely needs to go ahead and go in. Temp's close, 180 there, and 73 there, 72 there. And so we got a lot of evap cooling going on right here. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. We're getting close there. So yeah, we're getting close. We're gonna let it go ahead and keep going. We're gonna flip it over. Again. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks amazing. We want to let it keep going, so let's just let's let her keep going. All right, everybody, we are still good on temp. Oh, that guy looks amazing. Here we go. Let's see what our temp is. Yeah, we're getting there. That's an end though. I bet it's better over here. Oh yeah, look, we're almost there. Yep. We're getting there. This has been another hour. I'm gonna flip them back over because, yeah, see that just looks better. And look, we got that nice, we got what we're looking for here. We're really, really close. All right, let's let it go. It's been 3 hours. Let's let it go for another half hour, and then we'll go ahead and check on it. This is my barbecue secret. This is smoked brisket beef tallow. It is amazing. Go ahead and check out the video attached for how to make it. All right, guys, sorry about The night sky, as you can see, it's getting dark out. This sucker's been going for almost 4 hours. It looks absolutely fantastic. We've got a good temp going on here. Yeah, we're at 195, 180, 184. Normally I wouldn't do this. Normally, we're getting good over here. Normally I wouldn't go ahead and even do this, but I want to eat dinner eventually, so I'm going to go ahead and take this guy. I'm going to pop him on some foil. I'm going to use my secret weapon as I just showed you. So this is our brisket fat, smoked brisket fat. What you do is you pull it out of the fridge and you kind of let it sit on the counter, and it starts to soften up, as you can see. So what we want to do is we want to take a bunch of that, put it on this foil, put this guy on top of that, and then we want to go ahead and foil boat it and just let it cook. But we're going to add a lot of this to it because we want to do like at least a shallow confit where it's coming up on at least the sides of everything, right? So if it comes up to about here on here, I'm good with that. So let's go ahead and get that going. All right, and as you can see, we got a good amount to start. So what we want to do is take this guy. Oh yeah, see how nice and floppy it is? It's great. We want to pop it on here. Then I used both my hands and I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. All right, everybody, there we go. I threw a little bit more on top as well. So the goal is for this stuff to melt. You see it's starting to right now. For the meat to stick into it, to sort of shallow cover it about halfway up. We've got our foil boat here. You can sort of see more of it sitting over there. And we want to try to get a good half cover on the sides of it and just let it soften up. It's already getting nice and soft in some areas, as we saw. Like, look at that. That's amazing. We just want the rest of it, like these thicker pieces, to go ahead and get there. So we ended up pulling this around 187, 88 degrees. In some spots, it was already there. It was already above 204. So let's go ahead and let it continue to keep cooking, and I'll come check on it in a half hour, let you guys know where we're at. All right, everybody. Ooh-wee, look at that. That looks great. We are oh yeah. See the fat? We're getting about halfway up there. This is great. Oh yeah, look at that. This is great. Oh yeah, look at that. We are doing good here. We are almost done. Look at that. We're high 180s. There we go. There we go. Oh, great. All right, let's let it go for another half an hour and then come back and check on it. All right, everybody. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. Okay, so this guy's done. I'm gonna pull him off. I'm taking him inside. I'm gonna let him rest for probably a good 20 minutes. Then we're gonna pull him apart. All right, everyone. It's been about 40 minutes, not 20, but you'll notice that as I just start putting my hands on this, and it just pulls right apart. This is what we want. We want a gorgeous smoke ring like we have. We want it to look nice and juicy and unctuous. We want it to pull apart really, 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 really easy. And oh yeah. Yeah, that is super smoky. We've got these great, awesome little burnt ends here. Now, what you could do at this point if you wanted to ruin it, I mean, make it better if that's how you look at it. You could take this, let it cool a little more, cut it up into cubes, throw some barbecue sauce on it, put it back onto your egg, let it smoke for like another 15 or 20 minutes so that barbecue sauce can get a little bit sticky. And then pull it off and eat it. Me, I'm not a big fan of doing that. I don't like barbecue sauce on things like that. I want to taste the meat. I want to taste the smoke. Anyways, this is our product. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. And have a fantastic week.